Welcome to day 4 of workout 3.1, and today we're going to be looking at workouts C and G. So C is the third one on this sheet for practicing our skill. Now this time we really want to be practicing our written method, our formal written method for multiplication. Okay, so we're going to be setting our multiplications out on another piece of paper. So if I had, for example, 23 multiplied by 4, I'm going to set it out like this. Don't forget to do your 2 lines. So if you've got any regrouping, you can put it underneath, yeah? So 3 4s are 12. So I've got 12 is made of 2 1s and 1 10. So my 10 comes into the tens column. Now, because I'm in my tens column, I can just go 2 4s are 8 and 1 more makes 9, 92. Just practice your written method for multiplication. Bring your sheet back and we'll have a look at the answers. So these are the answers to workout C. Have a little look, see how you got on. And as always, if any don't agree with mine, just go and have a little look, see what happened and check through it. Maybe try it in a different way. Think about doing it as the partitioning method that we used up here, just to check it out if you're not sure. So workout G is a selection of worded problems. Now, some of them are obviously going to practice multiplication. That's what we're working on this week. However, they're not all multiplication problems, so be careful. So what you might want to do is to think about a picture of some sort that tells you what it means. So for example, if we look at the second one here, Colin's taken up jogging. He jogs 8 kilometres each day. So I might sort of think, okay, so if he does 8 kilometres in a day, here we are, let's do a bar that represents these 8 kilometres that he's jogged. How far will he have jogged in 21 days? So I'm going to say 1 day, 2 days, 3, hang on, this is going to get ridiculous, but I'm repeatedly adding 8. What calculation do I know that means I'm repeatedly adding 8? Well, I'm multiplying, okay? So have a look at the problems, think about how a jotting might help you, and then use an appropriate calculation to find an answer. At the bottom here then, it says create your own problems for 14 multiplied by 3. So have a think. Maybe use some of the contexts that we've used here, or look around you. What problem could you write that 14 multiplied by 3 would be the way to find the solution? See if you can write a few.